The similar and duplicate feature helps you identify and remove duplicate or highly similar photos from your library. This frees up storage space and keeps your library organized. Administrators can open Settings and navigate to Intelligent Settings. Enable the duplicate photo recognition model. Then return to the Similar and Duplicate page and click Scan. The system will automatically identify similar and duplicate photos. Similar photos are images with nearly identical content but slight differences, such as burst shots or photos taken from similar angles. The system groups them based on similarity. Select the unwanted photos and click Delete to move them to the Recycle bin. To keep an entire group, click Ignore to remove it from the list. Click Rescan to identify similar photos in the library. Again, duplicate photos are identical images, usually generated through repeated backups or imports. Browse each duplicate group and compare the retained item with its copies. Manually select the photos you want to delete. Click Delete to move them to the Recycle bin. To keep an entire group, click Ignore to remove it from the list. Click Rescan to identify duplicate photos again. For batch processing, click Merge. After merging, only the retained photo in each group will remain, while the others are moved to the Recycle bin.